What's the fox say? Such a catchy song. So I haven't made a video in a while, but whatever. One thing though, 'tis the season for is getting sick, and you know what? People should just stay indoors when they're sick because it's really nasty when they're coughing all over the place. Yesterday I was eating and there's this one girl just like all over the place. It is disgusting. Seriously, get your food and go eat where you're not around people. Like seriously, just no, just It makes me angry when people cough and it's really gross. And it's not even funny because same girl today was all like coughing. It's not just like a she's all like I'm not even exaggerating at all. It's like that, and it's just gross and I just don't like it. And you know what? Another thing is when people cough while I'm talking on the phone with them. Mom. But seriously, my mom does this. I'll be like, oh, hi mom, blah, 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 blah. And she's sick right now. I get it. We get sick because, you know, she works at a school. Sick kids coughing all over her. So, makes sense. But I mean, like, if you're going to cough, if you need to cough while you're on the phone, don't cough in my ear. That is just gross. I do not want to hear your cough right in my ear. It's not... Ugh, it's gross. It's just gross. I mean, seriously, if you're gonna cough in the phone, just go take the phone away from your ear and then cough. Cough it all out. I don't even care. It's, ugh. Coughing is gross. Necessary, but just don't cough on me. And I thought I was getting sick for a while, but I took some meds and now it's gone. So that's good. So besides people coughing all over the place, getting everyone all sick with their nasty germs, I haven't been doing anything really. I actually don't really have anything to talk about, but I figured it's just been so long since I've made a video that I should probably make a video. So basically classes are fine. Ceramics, my goodness, ceramics is fun. But like after the class I'm covered in clay. I pretty much like come home and just like wash everything in the sink because I've already got my hair straightened. I'm not just gonna take a full-on shower. My legs are gross. Just like get a towel, wash everything off. So that's exciting. I mean, besides classes, I've just kind of been hanging out and doing things like Lurika and I went to the Pinterest party, which was like fun, but they didn't have enough supplies, so my thing stays unfinished because I don't have scissors. I lost my scissors. I don't know where they went. So we did that, and then there was a mentalist afterwards, which was pretty cool. So the weekend was fun. Haven't been to the gym at all except for twice, and that was like in the beginning of the year. So Lurika, we should go to the gym sometime, HLC preferably, so I can like weigh myself because I have no idea what's happening. But yeah, apparently I have lost some weight because my ring, which I'm not wearing right now because I took it off for ceramics, fell off twice yesterday without me knowing. And that's scary because one of them was in the shower and it just fell off. Could have gone down the drain. If I didn't step on it, it probably would have. So that needs to be resized or something. Haven't heard back from any jobs at all, so hopefully that changes soon because I kind of need one. And that's it. So not much to this video, but I mean, don't cough on me and we'll be friends. So, bye.